Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And to do this, we'll need to open the Google Play Store. Here let's try to find the game. As you can see, there's no results available to download, and to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, scroll down to the family tab like this, and go for parental controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games. Insert your PIN code, click on OK, and increase the PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, try to download the game, it's right here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.